Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a great weekend and I hope you stayed warm. We had some of the coldest temperatures that we have seen in a long time. We'll get to that in a second. It's pretty much summed up our day, a mix of clouds and sun out there. This is our Billy Goat Sky-Fi Tower camera. There's the town of Pateros and Brewster about the middle of your screen. And yeah, some clouds up that way. Temperatures have moderated since over the weekend, but I'll tell you what, how cold was it? Well, here you go. We set 4 record overnight lows in a row beginning on Friday, 7 below Friday, 10 below on Saturday, 4 below yesterday morning, and 2 below this morning. That broke all kinds of records, 2017 and 1971, also 1997. So that's how cold we were over this previous weekend. And I'll tell you what, now we've got another storm system headed our way. It's really going to affect us Tuesday night and into Wednesday. It should snow off and on throughout the day Wednesday, maybe even into Thursday. A good chance that we will see up to 4 inches of snow in the Wenatchee area. So remember, slick, snow-covered roads, and it's as slippery as I've ever seen it in the Wenatchee Valley right now. So you add a little snow on top of that and some warmer temperatures later on, it's going to stay awfully slick out there. And speaking of slick, yeah, we have Friday into Saturday, freezing precipitation. I talked about a slight warm-up as we get into the end of the week, and as we see our snow change over to rain showers, it could be freezing rain on Friday and right into our weekend on Saturday. We'll talk about that coming up a little bit later on. Today's high temperature, hooray, we made it to double digits today. 11 degrees unofficially, 33 is where we should be for this time of year, and 53 our record, and that was set in 1994. 2 below this morning. I mentioned that's a new record. 24 is our normal low temperature for this time of year, and there's the record we broke from 1997, 3 above zero. Sunrise this morning, 7:44, and it's set this afternoon at 4:37. Taking a look at tomorrow's temperatures, we're slowly moderating with our temperatures. Almost 20 for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 18 the high in Quincy tomorrow, 17 in Wenatchee, 16s for Kashmir and Entiat, and 17 up to 18 in Omak as we get into tomorrow afternoon. Tonight we can expect snow and cold as we get into the week, but this is what we're looking at. Here's our next storm system that will move in tomorrow night. This will be more probably later in the week, and then we've got another storm system that'll move in just in time for the weekend, but this is what we've got coming at us, and here's the edge of that first system. We're seeing that right now. That'll bring mostly cloudy skies, still high pressure over northwestern Montana. That is going to continue to move east and allow this system to move in, and here it comes on Tuesday. Cloudy conditions for most of our day, a 90% chance, not so much during the day, but look what happens as we get into our evening hours tomorrow night. We could see 1 to 3 inches of snow with high temperatures in the upper teens on Tuesday, maybe another 1 to 2 inches Wednesday morning. There's your morning commute Wednesday. Things will be a snowy one on Wednesday, even some heavier snow in the Cascades for Wednesday. High temperatures will continue to warm up into the mid-20s. And then by Thursday, notice the next storm. It's bringing in more of a southwesterly flow. That will continue our warm-up, but there's that 70% chance of evening snow showers. We'll see it right here in central Washington. Highs during the day on Thursday, though, not bad at about 30 degrees. And then for Friday, cloudy skies, an 80% chance. That's when we could see that freezing rain. We will warm up into the mid-30s, though the conditions are just right for some of that freezing rain. Be aware of that on Friday. Getting into the upcoming weekend, another storm system set to move in. A 70% chance. I think it will be all rain on Saturday with high temperatures mainly in those upper 30s. And then as we get you into the end of the weekend on Sunday, more of the wet stuff. Cloudy skies, that southwesterly flow bringing the warm air will continue. A 60% chance for rain off and on throughout the day on Sunday. The good news, look at that high temperature, near 40 degrees. All right, let's take a look now at your 7-day forecast. 7 degrees overnight. Snow Tuesday night into Wednesday. We could see up to 5 inches of snow by the time we get to Thursday morning because we are warming up. But then we're going to see some more snow possibly Thursday night. And that should switch over to a rain-snow mix as we get into Friday, mainly because temperatures will warm up. 35 for Friday and then all rain for Saturday and Sunday. 38 on Saturday and 40 the high temperature on Sunday.